Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video I am going to show you how we can make the Google AdWords account without any credit card. So Google AdWords normally help you to start a campaign on your videos, so you can easily get views from the Google campaign, and then also you can use the Google AdWords keyword planner to use the Google keywords in your videos to get more and premium views on your videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can make the Google AdWords account without using any credit card. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to the computer screen and then see how we can make the Google AdWords account. Okay friends, so first of all we open the Google Chrome, then type there ads.google.com, then first link ads.google.official, we click that one. Then we no need to type here email or whatever, we just click the get started. I already linked with my other email, so I want to link my new email, so I just sign out here, then link another account that don't have Google AdWords, so I just link new account. Once you link any new email, after that like this interface come, so you need to do check here. You can see here, are you a professional marketer? You just select the down, switch to expert mode, you select that one. You no need to select here the go get more calls or get more website sales or sign-ups or get more visits or physical locations. You no need to choose here anything. You just go to the switch to expert mode. After that, if you want to campaign any ad, you can select here the choose your anything you want. But if you want to continue without any campaign, you have there option create an account without a campaign, so we click that one. Once we click that one, asking you the billing country, time zone and currency all, so you select your depend on your country, time zone and currency rate, all everything you select here. I'm in the Malaysia, so I just select the country Malaysia, time zone is also correct, and then my currency in the Malaysian ringgit, so I just submit. So as you can see, I already get the Google AdWords account new without any credit card. As you can see, the email already they confirm and then congrats, all done. So explore your account, so I click the explore my account. Okay, so if you want a new campaign, you click here. If you want to click the tools and settings, you click the tools and settings. Then if you are using any campaign or planning or anything you want here using the Google AdWords, you can use. If you want to use the Google AdWords keyword planner, you just click the Google AdWords keyword planner, then just click the try it now, then select the discover new keyword, So enter your any keyword, same like I just type here green screen. This one only for the example. Then my location is default is Malaysia, so I am going to cancel this location, and then I want to select the worldwide. So I just cancel that one, so it become worldwide, and then save that one. So you can see here the all location, this keyword green screen. I type here the all location, and then now get results. Once I click that one, you can see here the all the green screen, the campaign levels or impression share or the rates, high range or low range, all here you can get here. This one average monthly searches. So monthly searches, this one green screen is so high, you see 100k 1 million like that searches, and then they paying the low range rate is 45 0.45 Malaysian ringgit, and then the high range is 3.59 cents. So you can search like this any keyword high and low range for your videos, and then use this Google keyword planner. Hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video with the new update. Thank you.